Okay, so our first freebie.
Our first
for
freebie?
The studio. No, for the new studio.
Oh, I see.
We haven't gotten any freebies for the new studio. So we're going to get kitchen cabinets, and they're free, and we're going to put them in the studio.
We found some other kind of cool things for decorating the studio, too.
Yes. So we're going to have to start getting on that project pretty quick. Alright, we got our cabinets, but that was all we got. So we got there and there was another pickup that had loaded all of the kitchen cabinets. I was like, excuse me, I told you I was on my way.
You think maybe the lady...
So I think maybe she got maybe mixed up, I hope, because I was a little ticked. But I got the two uppers, so we can at least have the uppers. And now we will work on the base cabinets. So we'll find some cheap, free base cabinets.
Yep.
So that's pretty good. Now it's supposed to rain. I don't know what this is. This is a weird phenomenon in Wyoming.
Well, it's funny. There's been more storms here than we anticipated so far.
Yeah.
So.
Yeah. All right. Off to load our first finds for the new studio. Yay! What did I do?
She's buying more things. I have a clip of her saying, no more stuff.
Yeah, but it's cool
get rid of
stuff.
everything. If I ever get new stuff, show me this clip. But the clip isn't persuading her.
This video is brought to you by our Dining on a Dime cookbook. We have quick and easy recipes your family will love to help you get in and out of the kitchen fast. Please visit us at livingonadime.com. It's 25% off now. That's because it's cool stuff. So they're clearing out a restaurant. So of course...
The copper shells, these are cool.
I know. See? I got it on video.
I know,
but... Copper shelves are cool.
But see, I say the copper shelves are cool, but I say one copper shelf means 2 giant boxes of something else leave the house. Tara thinks one copper shelf means, yay, new things!
Now. So look at all this stuff. Oh my goodness, they had all kinds of stuff.
Tara,
oh
what
wow.
Is that? It's grinder?
Yeah. Or a wheat grinder, I don't know which.
Wow.
Yeah, right there.
There's a lot of cool stuff. Right?
Yeah.
You can get here a little earlier.
Yeah. So I got all this cool stuff. Wow, look at all this stuff.
You should ask them if these cups are microwavable.
Actually, though, here I was done buying, but look at those. Man, would those be good for the show?
You mean if we're putting a little bit of sugar in here and a little bit of xanthan gum in here?
Yeah.
That way you don't forget whether you put it in or not.
Oh, and look at those little guys.
Are those like creamer cups?
Yes. Oh, and look, they're only 50 cents. Okay, I'm gonna get a couple of those.
This would be a good show teapot right here.
You think I should?
You can pour the hot water in there, and then you can sit there on the deck and
drink my. Here, Mike. Oh my goodness, we're gonna come out and show you guys the haul I got.
I see you smiling there, breaking your own rules.
This is the or worse part in the for better or worse. Are you waiting for the for better?
She lied to herself.
Okay, we're gonna go through real quick what we got. Mike's gonna film and I'm gonna show you. You wanna see what I got? Alright, I got 15 things of powdered sugar for $10. Now that's not exceptional for the grocery store, but it is still cheaper than the cheapest price I've been able to find at the grocery store. This place was like a mercantile / bakery, I think. Alright, then they had a brand new thing of Crisco. That was $5, so I saved a good chunk on that. I got this condensed milk for $4 for all of them. So I saved about 75% on that. I got this bookshelf for $2. And these other 2 bookshelves for $2. We need them for storage for the boys' room. And then I got these for $1, stainless steel buckets for my lye for soap making. And then I got these cute little guys for 30 cents each. And this little, I'm going to put pens and notepads in here for this little, it was like a napkin holder type thing. Clear buckets for my soap making. A snow blower for $20. Now, this is a Toro, and he said it worked the last time he did it, but it might need a tune-up. And I thought for 20 bucks, it's worth taking the chance because show them our driveway, dear. We have a lot to clear in the winter. We have a lot to clear in the winter. We have a lot to clear in the winter. Aren't you excited? Then I got this citrus cleaner and degreaser. It was $5 for this whole thing. I think these things are like 15 to 20 bucks retail. So I got a good deal on that. I probably should have got more than one. I got this really cool jug. It's probably not old, but it's just really cool for $2. The kids want to fill this with the candy for Nan's new candy jar when she moves in. I got baking cups. There is 2,000 in here, and it looks like it's 3/4 full, so for $1, that's a good deal. I got these free papers, and I thought these would be great to put in the microwave over stuff for slats, and they were free. This stinking cool clock for $2. Is that not cool? This cool beverage thing for $2. I'm going to put my laundry soap in it for the laundry room. Packing paper, $1. We're out of all of our packing paper for the books. A mat for a rolling cut mat to measure like your pie crust and stuff. She gave that to me for free. Mike got him a pencil holder. This is Mike's contribution for 50 cents.
It's like a little baby trash can.
It is. That would be cool to put like by your chair for your gum wrappers and stuff. And then in this thing, I got 3 things of vegetable spray for $1, brand new. I got 3 rolls of piping bags for my soap for $1.
You say 3 rolls, you mean
I got
3
3
roll
rolls.
packages?
3 packages.
Oh, okay.
3 packages for $1. I got red food coloring for free. I got brown sugar for 50 cents. That's everything I got at the garage sale. Then I also got this table here for free. Yes, it's wobbly, but it can be fixed. I'm going to put a new top on it. And then I got this super pretty blue paint and top coat, probably for the table, for $1 each at the thrift store. Those are my bargains for the day. Please visit us at livingonadime.com. This is how we save money so we can grow rich. You want to show them our flowers real quick?
Yeah. Keep it rolling?
Yeah, just show them. Just show them like right here.
Oh, like this?
Yep. There's our front yard, guys. For those of you who are wondering what our front yard looks like. Isn't it beautiful? Flowers already planted for me.